UGC NET JRF exam History Solved Paper July 2016 Paper 2. Note: this paper contains 50 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a Neolithic site? A. Brahmagiri. B. Sanganakallu. C. Arikamedu. D. Piklihal. And answer is option C. Arikamedu. Question number 2. Match list 1 Harappan sites with list 2 archaeological remains and select the correct answer from the code given below. Mohenjo-daro, large granary. Lothal, brick dockyard. Kalibangan, citadel and a lower town. Sutkhajandur, citadel and a lower fortified settlement. Question number 3. Which of the following works was the first to suggest payment of cash to officers as salary? A. Kamandaka Nitisara. B. Arthashastra. C. Manusmriti. D. Nitivakyamrita. And the answer is option B. Arthashastra. Question number 4. On whose coins do the symbols on the reverse generally match with the names of the kings on the obverse? A. Arjunayanas. B. Mahas. C. Malavas. D. Panchalas. And the answer is option D. Panchalas. Question number 5. Which of the following works relates to Tamil grammar? A. Ahananuru. B. Kural. C. Tolkappiyam. D. Paditruppattu. And the answer is option C. Tolkappiyam. Question number 6. Which of the following statements is correct with regard to the content of the Rumindei pillar inscription of Ashoka? A. Reference to the king's dharma. B. Reference to the conquest of Kalinga. C. Reduction of tax due from the village. D. Non-slaughter of animals in the royal kitchen. And the answer is option C. Reduction of tax due from the village. Question number 7. Who among the following are mentioned in the Hathihumba inscription of Kharavela? Use the code given below. 1. Satakarni. 2. Bahasatimita. 3. Sakas. 4. Ratikas. And the answer is option D. 1, 2 and 4. Question number 8. Which of the following is a coin term? A. Nivartana. B. Martur. C. Dhamma. D. Gocharma. And the answer is option C. Dhamma. Question number 9. Which of the following temples was constructed of bricks? A. Lakshmana temple at Khajuraho. B. Lakshmana temple at Sirpur. C. Lingaraja temple at Bhuvaneshwar. D. Marthanda temple in Kashmir. And the answer is option B. Lakshmana temple at Sirpur. Question number 10. Who among the following founded a teaching institution called Saraswati Mandira at Ajmer? A. Vakpatiraja. B. Durlabharaja. C. Vigraharaja. D. Prithiviraja. And the answer is option C. Vigraharaja. 11. At which of the following places is the stupa built by the Sailendras located? A. Anuradhapura. B. Borobudur. C. Angkorvat. D. Angkorthom. And the answer is option B. Borobudur. 12. Who among the following had the title Pramasogatha? A. Bhaskaravarman. B. Harsha. C. Rajyavardhana. D. Sasanka. And the answer is option C. Rajyavardhana. 13. Which of the following sculptures is a characteristic of the Pallava period? A. Somaskanda. B. Ganesha. C. Nataraja. D. Anantasayana. And the answer is option A. Somaskanda. 14. Which of the following statements about Samudragupta are true? Use the code given below. 1. He was a conqueror, a poet and a musician. 2. He was called Lichavi Dohitra. 3. He imitated the coins of the western Kshatrapas. 4. His performance of Ashwamedha was not mentioned in the Allahabad pillar inscription. And the answer is option C, 1, 2 and 4. 15. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 author, list 2 title of the book. Bilhana Vikramankateva Charita, Bhana Harsha Charita, Someswara 3, Abhilashitratha Chintamani, Vijneshwara Mitakshara. 16. Which of the following statements is not true in respect of the election for the assembly of Uttaramerur of the Chola period? A. The village was divided into 30 wards. B. Two representatives were to be elected for each ward. C. The contestant should be aged between 35 and 70 years. D. They should possess some educational qualification and immovable property. And the answer is option B. Two representatives were to be elected for each ward. 17. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. India had maritime trade with the Roman Empire during the early centuries of the Christian era. Reason R. A large number of Roman coins have been found from the excavations at Arikamedu. And answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 18. Point out the temples which are situated in the eastern side of India. A. Sun Temple, Konark. B. Meenakshi Temple, Madurai. C. Batmaswamy, Thiruvananthapuram. Batmanabhaswamy, Thiruvananthapuram. D. Jagannath Temple, Puri. The answer is option A and D. Sun Temple, Konark. Batmanabhaswamy, Jagannath Temple, Puri. 19. Chachnama and Baburnama were written respectively in A. Arabic and Persian languages, B. Persian and Turkish languages, C. Arabic and Turkish languages, D. Persian and Pashto languages. And the answer is option C. Arabic and Turkish languages. 20. Which of the following Sufis accepted Lala Dhed as his spiritual preceptor? A. Shaikh Nur al-Din, B. Sayyid Saif al-Din, C. Mir Sayyid Ali Hamadani, D. Mir Sayyid Muhammad Hamadani. And the answer is option A. Sheikh Nur al-Din. 21. Sheikh Bahuddin Zakaria belonged to A. Shuharwardi Silsila, B. Rishi Silsila, C. Shishti Silsila, D. Firdausi Silsila. And the answer is option A. Shuharwardi Silsila. 22. Which one of the following was not part of Turkani Chihalgani? A. Bahuddin Dugril, B. Kutluk Khan, C. Imamuddin Rehan, D. Balban. And the answer is option C. Imamuddin Rehan. 23. Name the poetess of Mysore who protested against women being considered as inferior to men in her work Hadibadeya Dharma, tenets for chaste and devoted wives. A. Tirumalamma, B. Shanchi Honamma, C. Lal Ded, D. Janabai. And the answer is option B. Sanchi Honamma. 24. The forerunner of famous bulbous domes of the Mughals is attributed to which of the following architectural styles? A. Bidhar, B. Gulbarga, C. Golconda, D. Mandu. And the answer is option A. Bidhar. 25. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Miftaul Futtu, Amir Khusrau. B. Tariki Salathini Afghana, Khwaja Nimatullah Harawi. C. Siyasat Nama, Nizamul Mulk Tusi. D. Zafar Nama, Yahya Sirhindi. Select your answer from the code given below and the answer is option A, B and D. 26. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the code given below. List 1 and list 2. Amil, revenue collector. Bakhal, trader. Pahi, a non-resident cultivator. Kulkarni, village accountant. 27. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the code given below. Malik ut Tujar, chief of the merchants. Bishwa, a small unit of land measurement. Kushak, a residential fort. Mawas, a fortified village. 28. Arrange the following tombs in chronological order. C. Athaga Khan's tomb, Delhi. A. Sheikh Salim Chisti's tomb, Fatehpur Sikri. D. Akbar's tomb, Sikandara. B. Asaf Khan's tomb, Lahore. 29. Identify the historical places where Ibadat Khana, Birbal's house, Saint's Baradari and Khani Khana's house are situated. A. Fatehpur Sikri. B. Agra. C. Delhi. D. Lahore. The answer is option A. Fatehpur Sikri. 30. Which one of the following statements is not true? A. In Akbar's reign, dam gradually replaced copper tanka. B. The dam was also known as Paisa. C. The half dam was called Adhela. D. Akbar fixed a ratio of 40 dams to a rupee, which became standard conversion for purposes of actual payments. And the answer is option D. Akbar fixed a ratio of 40 dams to a rupee, which became standard conversion for purposes of actual payments. 31. Which one of the following European travelers observed that Queen Noor Jahan constructed pleasure gardens, palaces, and sarais throughout the land in order to enhance her image and reputation? A. F. Pelsart. B. Sir Thomas Roe. C. Carreri. D. Monucci. And the answer is option A. F. Pelsart. 32. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Because of marriage with Noor Jahan, Jahangir became indifferent towards administration. Reason R. Noor Jahan formed a junta between 1611 to 22 and wielded considerable power. And the answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. 33. Which of the following city was looked down upon by Jahangir as Gardhabad, city of dust, and Jahannamabad, city of hill? A. Ahmedabad. B. Mandu. C. Jaunpur. D. Gaur. And the answer is option A. Ahmedabad. 34. Mughal emperors used to confer various types of standards upon nobles. Which of the following was added in the list of standards by Shah Jahan? A. Alam. B. Chatrok. C. Tumantok. D. Mahimaratib. And the answer is option D. Mahimaratib. 35. Chronologically arrange the following treaties signed by the British with native states and select the correct code. D. The Treaty of Allahabad and Khara. A. The Treaty of Salbai. C. The Treaty of Srirangapattanam. B. The Treaty of Versailles. 36. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. The University of Calcutta was incorporated by the Act passed on the option C 24 January 1857. The University of Bombay by an Act passed on the 18 July 1857. And the University of Madras by an Act passed on the 5th September 1857. 37. Who said the following words? So long as millions live in hunger and ignorance, I hold every man a traitor who, while educated at their expense, pays not the least heed to them. A. Keshav Chandra Sen. B. Aurobindo Ghosh. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the answer is option C. Swami Vivekanand. 38. In which year was founded the All India Trade Union Congress? A. 1918, B. 1920, C. 1924, D. 1926. And the answer is option B. 1920. 39. Chronologically arrange the following legislations regarding Indian press. C. Registration of the Press Act 11. A. Official Secrets Act. B. The Indian Press Act. D. The Indian Press Emergency Powers Act. 40. Who among the following viceroys made the august offer to secure Indian cooperation in the war effort? A. Lord Wavell. B. Lord Hardinge. C. Lord Linlithgow. D. Lord Mountbatten. And the answer is option C. Lord Linlithgow. 41. From which nation India adopted the green revolutionary technology for agricultural development? A. GDR. B. USSR. C. UK. D. USA. And the answer is option D. USA. 42. The doctrine the sons of the soil is related to A. Nationalism. B. Regionalism. C. Tourism. D. Industrialism. And the answer is option B. Regionalism. 43. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of Britain, announced the dispatch of Cripps mission. Reason R. British forces collapsed in Southeast Asia soon after the fall of Rangoon. The answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 44. Who wrote the book Rights of Man in 1791 to 92? A. Bernard Shaw. B. John Ruskin. C. Thomas Paine. D. Sidney Webb. And the answer is option C. Thomas Paine. 45. From among the following statements, which one is not a distinct feature of the Renaissance? A. The beginning of secular autobiography as a literature genre. B. The translation of scriptures into vernacular languages hastened the process of secularization of society. C. The Renaissance promoted church domination in human affairs. D. Its enduring lesson was that the search for knowledge is for mankind not only a right but also a duty. The answer is option C. The Renaissance promoted church domination in human affairs. 46. Who among the following is not a philosopher of the Enlightenment? A. Denis Diderot. B. Rousseau. C. David Hume. D. Herbert Spencer. And the answer is option D. Herbert Spencer. 47. Who said history is an unending dialogue between the present and the past? A. Lord Acton. B. Leopold von Ranke. C. E. H. Carr. D. G. R. Elton. And the answer is option C. E. H. Carr. 48. Which one of the following statements is not true regarding historians' responsibility in historical writing? A. Historian's central ethical responsibility is that he ought to tell the objective truth. B. Historian should be loyal to the cause he advocates. C. Historian owes historical truth not only to the living but to the dead as well. D. Historian should not distort historical facts. And the answer is option B. Historian should be loyal to the cause he advocates. 49. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Historical method is a complex process involving search for sources of information, its critical evaluation, synthesis and exposition. Reason R. As a science of knowledge, history is completely separated from natural sciences because it does not have universal laws. And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 50. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct code given below. List 1 author, list 2 works. Wilhelm Dilthey. Hermeneutics of, and the study of history. G. R. Elton, the practice of history. Frank Ankersmit, historical representation. Thomas Kuhn, the structure of scientific revolution.